Hello and welcome to Learn with Uqba. My name is Oqba Jawed and today I'm gonna tell you about how you can take an input from a user in Python. Let's suppose you are a computer and I am a user, and there is a conversation between computer and user. Computer is asking me to write my first name. I will write my first name as Uqba. And then again computer will ask me to write my last name. Again I will enter my last name as Javed. Computer will ask me to write my department or write my major. I will write my major as computer science. So here question is how you can write a Python program to take an input from a user. You need to create a variable. I am creating a variable first name and writing equal to. At the right hand side of the equal to, I am writing input function to take an input from a user, and after that I am writing parentheses. Between these brackets I am writing a string, enter your first name, and at the last of the sentence I am writing a colon. I write this colon because after the colon the user will write his first name. Similarly, you can create another variable name last name equal to, and at the right hand side of the equal to you can take input function brackets and a string, enter your last name. And similarly at the last of the sentence I am writing a colon because after the colon the user will write his last name. Okay. In line number 3, I am printing first name and last name variable in the same line. So let's see. Write print bracket first name comma last name and run this code. While I will run this code, this will ask me about my first name. I will enter my first name Oqba and then press enter. It will ask me about my last name. My last name is Javed and then again press enter. Then it will print Oqba Jawed. Here you can modify this by writing a string before your first variable where you have printed hello, comma. And after that, when you write your first name Oqba, enter. When you write your last name Javed, enter. This will print hello Oqba Jawed. So basically what input function does, that it takes an input from a user. When you write an input function, you write enter your first name, and in the terminal computer commands his user to write his first name, and in the second line when you enter your first name, again computer commands you to write your last name. When you write your last name, then it will print both in the same line. When you write hello in the print function as a separate string, then it will print in the same line hello Oqba Jawed. My first name is Oqba and my last name is Jawed. So here's a short class of how you can take an input from a user in Python. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button and also hit the like button.